Hello, my name's Adele and I'm the boss lady of Live Language. Today I'm going to show you how to make shortbread. Shortbread is a sweet biscuit that we eat traditionally at Christmas and New Year. The basic recipe is very simple and there are many variations. Today I'm going to show you a very easy recipe that everyone can make at home. You only need 3 ingredients: flour, butter and sugar, but I'm going to add orange just to make life more interesting. We need 300 grams of butter, and you can use dairy-free butter or normal butter. You can use gluten-free flour and vegan butter if you want to. And 100 grams of caster sugar. You can add lemon, chocolate, cinnamon, dried fruit or nuts or anything you like. I'm mixing this by hand, but you can do it in a machine and it will be much faster. The first shortbread recipe dates from the 1700s when sugar first arrived in Scotland from the Caribbean. And now we push it into the tray. Shortbread is pricked with a fork, which is what I'm doing now. And you bake this recipe for 25 to 30 minutes in a 190°C oven.